Breaking news, Missouri has become the latest state to divest from BlackRock, pulling $500 million from the woke asset manager. What is going on, guys? Lottery Stocks here. Banks and institutions, along with the market, is getting crazy, and we're getting sort of a little bit of a relief rally, but there's a lot to go over today, so all I ask you to do is hit that like, hit that subscribe. Let's get into it. So you heard it right. Missouri pulled $500 million from BlackRock. This isn't just from the fund itself, it's from pension funds. We just talked about recently pension funds collapsing in other countries, and finally they are slowly starting to creep up, and BlackRock just got hit. Goldman Sachs CEO says that he sees signs of credit deterioration in consumers. Speaking of Goldman Sachs CEO, he's planning a massive corporate shakeup, and JP Morgan strategists said that they are cutting back on their overweight position in equities and trimming their underweight position in bonds due to increased risk that central banks will make a hawkish policy error. This means that they are cutting stock and adding to bonds. I thought this was something to throw in the mix, as Bitcoin just got added to the Guinness World Records as the first and most valuable cryptocurrency. Alright, now let's talk China. China debt crisis sparked by Evergrande snares state-aided CIFI. Developer missed coupon on Hong Kong dollar convertible note. CIFI's woes also spread contagion risk to Country Garden. China also had an unexpected GDP delay without a reason given. Speaking of China, Hong Kong banks are trying to entice millennials away from meme stocks and crypto. I already like the top comment that this is a sign to buy more, not financial advice. Now that we cleared up China, the chance of them defaulting, and the push away from meme stocks and crypto, a quick thank you to the sponsor of this video, Moomoo. For a limited time, Moomoo is allowing anybody who uses my link and signs up and deposits even $1 to get 15 free stocks, each valued up to $2,000. The link is pinned in the top of comments and linked in the description. Make sure to do so. Let's get back into it. So Bank of America is predicting a shallow economy, though signs of weakness or stress aren't showing that. Bank of America also tops estimate on better than expected bond trading, higher interest rates. Bank of America's third quarter results topped expectations. The company reported better than expected fixed income trading and gains in interest income thanks to choppy markets and rising rates. Like its Wall Street rivals, investment banking revenue posted steep declines. Bank of America strategists predict a May 2023 rollout of a treasury bond buyback program. They were surprised in 2021, shocked in 2022. Will they be speechless in 2023 is the question. Just in, 1.7 trillion asset manager Dutch bank headquarters raided by German authorities in tax investigation. I swear banks are just crumbling all around. Just in, Japan's yen falls to 149 per USD, a 32-year low, and China state banks have stepped up the sales of US dollars to defend a weakening yuan. If I pronounce anything wrong in this video, just make fun of me in the comments. New home sales in China have dropped by 37.7% year over year, with Hangzhou dropping the most at 80%. Speaking of home sales, Zillow is no longer expecting that the housing market will trend downward. Over the next 12 months, they are expecting US home values to rise by 1.4%. What are your thoughts on this? Bank of England confirms first gilt sale operation will take place November 1st. Get ready for the sell-off and banks to fall deeper and deeper into crisis. Now let's talk about war. Elon Musk tweets this: drone war. Killer drones vie for supremacy over Ukraine. Zelensky says that there is no room left to negotiate with Putin. And finally, China has made a decision to seize Taiwan on a much faster timeline than previously thought. Secretary of State Anthony Blinken has said shortly after China's leader reiterated his intent to take the island by force if necessary. Now, a quick touch on the AMC's chart. Yesterday I talked about how the cycle is just starting right now. We just finished a cycle. Not only that, but we are coming up on the major level of the fib time zone. So as you guys can see, the beginning of the cycle is already playing out to a T so far. However, it doesn't have to. But the fact that this is lining up with the fib time zone, and I don't think there's much more room for a downside, I think AMC will have a chance to have a big rip over the next week. So get ready for that, guys. This is ultimately what I'm expecting, the blue overlay on the chart. That is it, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Smash that like button, get the algorithm going, drop a comment down below, share the video, and make sure to subscribe because 70% of people are not even subscribed. Love you all. Lottery Stocks out.